Okay, today take a look at the LOKITHOR J401X. So this is just like the J401, except for this one is also capable of negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit starting. So if you don't know, I used to live in Colorado. Trying to start a car in cold weather is a lot harder. You just need a lot more cranking amps. The fact that this one is able to start a car at negative 40 degrees is insane. So if this can start an 8.5 liter engine in negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit, then that'll cover anything for me. That's cool. It's got a little quick start guide. The beast. So you can see this is good for 2,500 amps, which is a ton. This is an absolute monster of a jump starter. We got a button over here for the lights. And if I hit the button, we can't see that we are reading 0 volts because we have nothing plugged in. So I do like that it actually tells you the voltage on the device that you're plugged into. Currently I have 2 bars. I think that's 2 out of 4. So it comes with a half a charge. So we will have to charge this up before we use it. We got a power button and then we've got the light button. So if I press and hold that, we actually have some lights. So even if we have to jump a car in the middle of the night, we can still make that work. By the lights, we got this plug. So this is going to be where the cables plug in. You can see that they are differently shaped, so you can't plug that in backwards. Good rubber seal on there. And then on the back. So to charge it, we can use this USB-C port or this DC jack. And if we want to, we can use this to charge our phone. So we can actually use this as a gigantic power bank. So if you're in a remote location and you want to have something you can use to charge your phone or jumpstart your car, this is a cool way to do that. Okay. So here's our alligator clips, and we can see that we got good looking teeth on there. So even if you got corrosion on those terminals, you can still make it work with this. So you can just drop it on, maybe get a little wiggle just to make sure, and then you will have good contact. And this is one of the things I like about these. You don't have to make a super long cable because the box is going to be right there on the engine bay. So you're not going to have that huge tangled mess that you would get with normal jumper cables. And they got this covered up, which is good. So you don't have to worry about dust or anything getting in there. And you can see those different shaped plugs. You just plug this in here. Has a good solid feel to it. The alligator clips are color coded, so you just put those on the battery. And to help you out a little bit further, the red is even marked positive and the black is marked negative. So at this point, if you want to jump start your car, all you would have to do is plug these alligator clips on your battery, turn it on. You can either hit the power button or you can hit the light button and then start your car. So you don't have to do anything else. You just literally go start your car and it'll work. So it's a very simple thing to operate. There's also protections built in. So for example, if you put the positive on the negative, negative on the positive, so if you got these things switched up, this will light up. It'll tell you that you got it wrong and then you don't have to worry about damaging anything on your car. So great to have this. This is actually, just because of that, this is way better than normal jump starting your car. So even if you're just going to help somebody else out and you're plugging jumper cables onto your car and then their car, if something messes up on their car, it could actually damage your car. With this, you protect your car, you still help them out, and even if you plug this thing in wrong, you don't have to worry about it. So very nice thing to have. And then the last thing. So we got 3 cables. We got USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to USB-A, and then we got our power jack adapter. So if you want to charge this thing up and you want to do it remotely, you can literally just plug this in, plug that into your car, and you can make sure that this thing is charged. Very nice having that. Now, one of the extra cool things about this is if you're trying to jump start your car and the battery is completely dead. So this thing has protections to prevent you from doing anything wrong, so it's not going to know that you have it plugged in. So what you do in that case is press and hold the power on button and the light button for 3 seconds, and that will power up these cables, and it's going to disable all the protections on here, so you have to be a little bit extra careful if you're going to be doing that, but it will allow you to jumpstart your car even with a completely dead battery. So that's awesome. So yeah, overall, this is an awesome little jump starter. I'm going to charge this guy up, and then it is going right in the trunk of my car. I cannot say enough about the peace of mind that I get from having something like this in my car. This is an awesome tool.